Hello everyone, I welcome you in 2019. I wish you a very happy new year. This new year brings you lot of happiness, success, love, health and each and everything whatever you want. Today is 1st January 2019 and this is the beginning of the year, and at the beginning of the year we have set some goals, some targets in the next in this year we have to do all the things whatever we want to do. We have to chase all the targets, we have to chase all the goals which we left in 2018, and this is a new beginning, this is new day, this is new beginning, and we have to give our 100%. So in this new year I set some goals, I set some targets. I have planned something. I have to set a sequence, I have to set a pattern, and I have to follow those things to achieve my goals. I just want to share something with you. That what is my new year resolution and what I want to achieve and how I want to achieve it. Okay, so first of all I have to set some goals. It's very important. Without goals, when we don't know our destination, where we have to reach, we can't go anywhere. So set some goals, in the end of 31st December 2019, where you want to reach, where you see yourself, what is your vision, what is your target, what is your mission. Set your goals and divide those goals in a quarterly, monthly, weekly, on a daily purpose. It's very important. Short your goals, so that you have to chase your goals daily. I have to set my goals. I already set it in 2019. I have to see myself up to this level. How many videos I make, how many money I have to make, and what type of lifestyle I want to live, where I have to go, where I have to travel the world, what destination I choose to travel. I already decided all of these things. So I set my goals. You also have to set your goals. Stay committed. The second thing is stay committed with yourself. You set your goals and you also plan the things that how I have to reach towards those goals. So stay committed with your planning, stay committed with your work. What work you have to do daily, what are the tasks you have to done daily to complete your work. Be committed with yourself, be honest with yourself that I have to do this work until I finished. I don't left this work in between. I have to finish this work on any damn cost. This is the commitment with me, and be honest with yourself. Okay, so third thing is that is mindset. Work with a strong mindset, work like an entrepreneur, work like a successful person. If you want to be rich in your life, work like the richest person. Maybe whoever your mentor is, work like him. Every day, every night, give your best. Every day, every night is one of the, you have to make them a best. You have to make them a result oriented. This is what you have to do. You must have a strong mindset that I have to reach this goal on any damn cost. Yes, I am a winner. Do some affirmations. Yes, I am a winner. I want to win, and I don't give myself in between. I have to reach these goals on any damn cost because I am a winner. I have a strong mindset. Work like a successful entrepreneur. Work like your mentor, whoever you choose. Okay, so fourth is stay consistent. Stay consistent with your work. Sometimes things will not, you will not get results, maybe in 1 month, maybe you will not get result, maybe 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. So what? Be consistent. Consistency is the key to success. After consistency, it's the patience. With consistency, have patience. It's very important. Maybe your plan A doesn't work, maybe your plan B doesn't work. You will get result in the end of plan Z. Maybe though that plan work, but you must have to be consistent and have patience. Put your effort daily. Give your 100%. You must give your 100% from all aspects of your life. Whatever your dream is, whatever target is, don't let yourself down. In the end of year, you don't feel any regret. I didn't do this thing just because of those things. I didn't achieve my goal. No. Give your 100%. Be consistent. Be patient. Things will take time. It's the flow of that time, and you have to move with the flow of that time. Be consistent. Be stuck with your work. Whatever the things are, those will change. Every successful person in this world says that be consistent and have patience. We are consistent and we are patient, so that's why we reach up to this goal. So learn from the successful person. This is very important. So celebrate your achievements. It's very, 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 very important. Whatever you achieve, either your achievements are small or either achievements are so big. Just learn how to celebrate it. Celebrate individually. Celebrate with your friends. Celebrate with your family. It's your achievement. You must say, very good, very good. Yes, I do it. Yes, I do it. This is what I have to do. Yes, I do it. Celebrate it. Whatever your moments are, make it one of the best moment of the day. Make it your one of the best moment of your life, because it's your effort which gives the result, and you must have to celebrate it. Okay, so show gratitude. Whatever the things you have, whatever things in your life, whatever things in your home, show gratitude. You have the clothes, say thankful to the God. Thank you, God, for this clothes. You have the camera, you have the mobile phone, you have your parents, you have your spouse, you have your kids, you have a car. Whatever the things you have, be thankful to the God. Be thankful. Some people don't have those things which you have. So be thankful. When you show the thanks to the God, the things will change. You will get more. Here the magic happens. So every time, every minute, every second, say thankful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And see the magic happens. Okay, your result will get faster. And last thing is, love yourself. You are one of the loveliest person of the world. Every day, every time, love yourself. What people think about you doesn't matter. What you think about yourself, that matter most. Love yourself, love your work. You are the best creation of the God. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself that this will happen. And all the day, all the time, all the season, and all the year, just say, I love myself. I love myself. I believe in myself. Yes, 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 yes. I'm the man of my dreams. I can do any damn thing, whatever I want to do. So this is what I have to do this year, and this is what you can do it. Either your resolution is to make this year $1 lakh, $10 lakh, 1,000 lakh dollar, or $1 crore. It's up to you. Okay, so all of these things, whatever we discuss in the couple of minutes, all of these things will help you to reach towards your goal. So have a great, fantastic, and an energetic new year.